Ding, ding. Round number 2. Here we go. Something is different about Dr. E in this video than was the case in the previous video. I shall give you no hints. See if you can find what it is. All right, homework 2. What are the 3 sources of capital commonly used by business? Common stock, preferred stock, and debt. There's actually a 4th source of capital, which is retained earnings. How do you find, question 2, how do you find the market value of one source of a company's capital? Easy. Easy squeezy lemon peasy or something like that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I don't know. I saw it in a movie once. Take the number of securities outstanding and multiply that by the current market price for each security. So let us work an example, question 3. My squeaky top. A company has the following capital structure: 1 million shares of stock trading at $35. Let's see, 50,000 bonds trading at $1,050, and 500,000 shares of preferred stock trading at $75. What is the market value for each form of capital? So we have common stock, we'll call it CS, and then we have preferred stock, we'll call that PS, and then we have bonds. And we'll call that, I don't know, bonds. How about that? So the market value of the common stock is equal to, whoops, that's not a dollar sign, 1.0 million shares times the price per share of $35, and we get $35 million. $35 million. Where's my little cat? What did he call that cat? Mr. Bigglesworth? Or something like that. I got a cat. I'm going to bring my cat for the next video session. What is the market value of preferred stock? It is 500,000 shares times $75 per share, and we get 37,500,000. Okay? And then bonds, we have 50,000 bonds times a current market price, not the par value, the current market price of $1,050. And that gives us a total value of $52,500,000. Okay? All right. Question 4, what is the total market value of the company's capital? This plus this plus this. $125 million. All right. What is the percentage of the total market value of the capital? What percentage of the total market value of the capital is each form of capital? So, 35 million divided into 125 million is 28%. Common stock is 28% of the total capital. This is total capital. Preferred stock is 37.5 million into 125 million, and that is 30%. And bonds, 52.5 million divided into 125 million, 42%. Now when you add up this plus this plus this, what do you get? And you better say 100%. 100%. All right. Question number 6. So we're going to work this again. Question number 6 only has bonds and stocks. So we're going to take this out. Take this out. We can leave the 100% because it's got to be 100%. All right. Question 6. 20,000 bonds. Par value of 1,000, trading at $9.75. Do not use par value. $9.75. $975. The current market price. $19,500,000. 300,000 shares of common stock times 90. Let's see, times 97.50 per share, and that gives you 29,250,000. Okay, what's the total value of their capital? That plus that, 48,750,000. What percentage of their total capital is each form? 29,250,000 divided into 48,750,000 is 60%. Which means this has to be 40%, but let's go ahead and do the calculation. 19,500,000 divided into 48,750,000, in fact, is 40%. Okay? 60 plus 40 equals 100. That's it. Finding the proportions of capital. It's just that simple. So first you identify the sources of capital. Common stock, the potential sources, common stock, preferred stock, debt, or bonds. Secondly, you calculate the total market value of each source. The number of securities times the price per security, current market price. Number of securities times current market price. Total market value of common stock. Total market value of the bonds. Add them up. Total market value of their capital, or the market value of their total capital, and then divide each source into the total to get the percentage. Now we have the weightings. Now we have to find the cost, and that is what we cover in homework number 3, which we will do in another session. Peace out. Shalom. Peace be with you. Round number 2 is over. Ding! Ring the bell. Round number 2 is over. We move on. Go to your corners. Think about these very challenging concepts of multiplying. I mean, I hope y'all can do this. I hope that you have learned, I've taught you enough that you can multiply with a calculator 300,000 shares times $97.50. I know that's hard, but I have faith in you. I believe you can do it. I think that you can multiply 300,000 by 97.50 and that you'll get 29,250,000. I believe that you will multiply 20,000 bonds times $975 per bond. You can press the right buttons and the calculator will give you 19,500,000. I believe that you will be able to add the value of the market value of your stock with the market value of your bonds, and you'll get 48,750,000. I believe that it is not beyond your capability to divide the market value of the stock into the total market capital, to get the percentage that is stock, and to divide the market value of your bonds into your total into the total value of your capital to get 40% stocks. I believe. I believe that you will win. I believe you can do this. Peace out. Shalom.